I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. Link your account and wallet, then verify identity or device permissions. This prevents later errors. Once done, gather required resources like 1 key, 50 energy, or the listed entry fee and position yourself at the landmark marker. Make sure GPS or in-game position tracking is active and calibrated. A wrong location blocks token minting. Start the claim action now so the server logs your attempt and you enter the acquisition queue properly. Once in range, initiate the claim flow deliberately. Approach until the app displays in range or shows distance less or equal to 10 m, then tap collect and hold through the progress bar. The why, holding prevents accidental cancels and confirms intent to the server. While claiming, monitor network strength and transaction feedback so you can detect timeouts early. If a blockchain step appears, approve gas/fee promptly. Save any transaction ID or receipt. This proves your attempt and helps recovery if syncing fails later. Finish by verifying the landmark token landed in your inventory or wallet. Refresh the app cache and resync if it doesn't appear immediately. If resources were consumed without a token, inspect activity logs and check pending transactions on the Network Explorer to confirm status. For recovery, restart the app, rescan the landmark, and wait 2 to 5 minutes for backend reconciliation. If that fails, contact support with the transaction ID and a timestamp. This single troubleshooting step resolves most edge case losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.